Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 11 computer is not detecting your second monitor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing, unplug your second monitor and plug it back in. Make sure you have a good connection. Second thing I'd recommend doing, if there's a power button on the monitor, make sure it's turned on. Another thing you can try, go onto the manufacturer's website and go ahead and download any applicable drivers that are available for that monitor. Definitely something I would strongly suggest. And then once you've exhausted those options, something else we can try here would be to right click on the start button and you want to select settings. Select system and then on the right side select display. Go ahead and select multiple displays, choose the presentation mode for your displays, and then select where it says detect other display, select the detect button, and this should go ahead and detect if there are any other monitors connected to your computer, and make sure both of these options are checkmarked here as well. So remember Windows locations based on monitor connection, as well as minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.